Ahoy, shipmates! I've missed the Norwegian Encore again. So I thought I'd take some footage from the live ferry cam. Now, it's a real pity I missed her, because I could probably have droned her on one battery, as she only went from there to there, a distance of probably about 1,000 metres. We're not here for the Encore, we're here for the Emerald Princess. Owned by Carnival Corporations and operated by P&O. Registered in the Port of Bermuda. Estimated to have cost $500 million and launched in June of 2006. I've sped up this footage here. She doesn't normally turn quite so quickly with the bow thruster, but she did actually turn pretty quickly. Very flat morning this morning. Not a particularly lustrous sky, but let's see if we can take a decent photo, shall we? Well, I've certainly got some interest with the Red Kestrel coming past, and the Hythe Ferry as well. But alas, the sky wasn't really offering up any depth there. It's a little flat. The gross tonnage of the Emerald Princess is 113,000 gross tons. It's 290 metres long, a beam of 36 metres, and 15 passenger decks. She has a speed of 21.5 knots. That's 39.8 kilometres per hour for you continental types, or 24.7 miles per hour. Capacity is 3,114 passengers and 1,200 crew. Now, normally in the port of Southampton, we wouldn't see the Emerald Princess because her usual port of operation is Europe in the summer, and she winters in the United States, often doing the Scandinavian, Russian and Copenhagen cruises, or the Canadian New York cruises, with a trip to the Caribbean and Fort Lauderdale. I must say, on a day like today, a little trip to the Caribbean would be a joy. In 2014, she actually was based in Southampton for cruises to the Mediterranean and the fjords, as well as to the Canary Islands. Okay, well, she's almost totally broadside on, so let's see if we can get a shot here. Yeah, it's okay, but it's just the flat light. I can't really do much with it. I was disappointed this morning. I thought it was going to be a nice sunrise. But no, not a nice sunrise. In May of 2011, she sustained substantial damage to several of the lifeboats when a fuel loading barge collided with the side of the ship in St. Petersburg, Russia. After inspection by the authorities, it was determined that she still had enough passenger space in emergency inflatable rafts for the ship to continue on its planned itinerary. It's unusual, isn't it? Unusual for a fueling berth to crash into the lifeboats. In November 2015, she had a 13-day minor refurbishment. She went into a dry dock. She's visiting us from Torbay, where she's been with many other liners. I'm not sure where she's going next. Probably back to Torbay, maybe to the glorious Bay of Bournemouth, or the wonderful Weymouth Bay. But alas, I'm running out of batteries here, so I'm going to have to cut this one short. As she makes her way back into 46 berth. I think we're going to take this opportunity to take one last photograph. The light is improving. It looks to me like there might be some colour in the sky. water is definitely taking on a bit more of a colour now, a bit more of a, almost you'd say like a emerald green colour. As she reverses back into 46, let's see if we can get something. Oh yes, a bit more colour over the city. Yeah. It's probably the best one of the day. Oh, it's good to end on a high. Well, until next time, shipmates.